If you are looking for a twist on a classic Puerto Rican favorite, I am here with Chef Christofer Dilan. You are going to show us how to make an octopus salad, but a tostada.
So what we're going to make today is a spin on a dish back home from Puerto Rico. We eat a lot of seafood, especially on the more coastal areas. We're going to do an octopus salad and make our own little type of tostada using the Goya empanada discs instead of a traditional tortilla. So the first thing we do is we're going to get our octopus and mix all our raw ingredients in there.
Mm-hmm. And you can, if you don't like octopus, you can use shrimp.
You can use shrimp,
fish, you want.
anything you want. This mixture is very versatile, so we can use it in all kinds of stuff.
So now this mixture, what is this? Tell us about this.
So this right here is a combination of olive oil, pureed with
the Goya olive oil, which I love, this organic olive oil.
Pureed with a little green onion, cilantro, and some parsley. Has also a little bit of vinegar in there. So we're gonna get all our ingredients there mixed in together, and we just want to toss it evenly. Very simple.
And you added the sazon?
The sazon, we use at the top in our marinade also.
Oh, I love using that. I love how you're mixing all these
and
flavors.
you wanna let it, you can serve it right away to have more crunchier vegetables, or you can just let it sit. It's just depending on everybody's taste.
Okay.
So once we have this mixture, we can go ahead and put it back in the refrigerator. So we get one of our skins right here.
So this is, you're saying, a lazy man empanada.
Yeah, it's a lazy man's empanada at the end of the day. But you just get the skins and you just drop them right into your fry oil.
Okay.
Again, they're nice and crispy. You want to keep on moving it and try to press down. Sometimes it'll bubble up like a buñuelo. So you want to try to lightly press it and flip it every few moments so it gets nice and crispy.
I like that.
So this one's almost nice and crispy.
Okay.
So we've got it there. We want to go ahead and drip it a little bit, let it drain. Mm-hmm. And while it's still hot, we can go ahead and put it here on some paper towels to cool off.
Mm-hmm. And this way you put
and then this is, like I said, it's just like seasoning tortilla chips, fresh chips. You want to give it a little salt. Nobody likes plain chips, and just sprinkle some on there so it has a little flavor. We're going to get our tostada. I have one already made over here. Mm-hmm. We just have it right there on the plate. And you get your octopus salad. Give it a quick little stir to get all that stuff in there. Okay. You can just go ahead and center it right there.
Ooh, that looks yummy.
No one fell there. There we go. Just a little bit of the salad. You can always cut these down and make them smaller. I like the bigger ones because I like octopus a lot. So
I know, I was going to say, I can tell you like octopus. I do too.
And then you can just put a few fresh limes to squeeze on there. Some people like lime, some people like lemon. A little fresh cilantro to brighten it up.
Ooh, that
sprinkle
looks beautiful.
on top. And then add a little more creaminess with the avocado right here. A few little avocado slices there.
I love the colors.
And then I like to finish it and drizzle it with a little more olive oil, just to give it a little more richness on there. And there we go.
Beautiful. I'm just trying to think of how I can delicately eat it.
Just get on in there.
Get on in there. Okay. Buen provecho. Thank you, Chef.